The map method will call a user-defined function once for every element in the array. And I think the easiest way to understand how this works is to actually look at an example because there's a lot of optional parameters. The only thing you really have to have is whatever your name of your array is, dot map, and then in parentheses, you do need to give it the name of the function. For the current value, which is the current element, it is going to assume you're starting from the beginning of your array. Okay? And everything else is optional. So what I've got in this little example is I have an array called persons, and it's basically an array of objects. And I've got a little function called getFullName, where we take the first name and the last name and we join them together, and then it returns the full name. And I want this function to run for every single element in this array. And that is a perfect application for map, because taking the array and calling map, it's automatically going to send it every single element, in this case object, and it's going to automatically run through getFullName. And it's going to take the results, in this case, storing it in Mystery Gang, which I'm updating my page with. Now you may be thinking, well, could I just do this maybe in one step instead of two? Yes, I could just take persons.map, getFullName, and assign that directly to the map demo ID. Okay, so I could do it in one step instead of two. Here is the example. And so the new array is going to display here. And you can see it joined the first and last name for every single element in that array. And that's basically what map does. So it's a super easy way to process all of your items or elements within the array, to process them in a particular function without doing any kind of a loop.